Henry.
Say, Daddy, I got my first bath.
I'm clean now, buddy.
Don't smell like booby milk anymore. And throw up.
Say, I'm clean, Daddy. Hey. Hey, booger. You're clean? You're clean? You're clean? You're clean?
Where's your daddy going?
Hey. Hey, bud. Hey. Henry.
He's mad at you, Daddy. He's not looking at you.
He thinks I did that to him.
No, Mommy would never do that. No, Mommy would never do that to her baby.
It's your first real bath. What do you think, bud? Feel better? Huh? Feel better? Y'all clean? Smell good?
You smell delicious.
I smell good.
Like I could eat you up. Yes. Like I could eat you up.